Oh yes, the thrill of the trade. A lot of traders love the thrill of manual trading, the excitement, the adrenaline, the rush of trying to call the next big move. But here's the truth, the thrill doesn't build wealth. Consistency does. Bots don't get emotional, they don't hesitate, they don't panic sell or chase trades. They follow rules with perfect discipline every single time. And that discipline is what builds real, compounding growth over weeks, months, and years. The thrill of manual trading lasts a moment, but the consistency of automated trading can change your financial future. Experience the edge for yourself. Try the Momentum Hunter today and start trading smarter, not harder. Get your 14-day free trial with the Momentum Hunter with zero risk from automatedtrading.io.